Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create music using Google Gemini. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Google Gemini. Then, click on the Google Gemini website to open it. Once Gemini opens, click on the plus icon on the left side of the chat bar. From the drop-down menu, select the Create Music tool. Now, you'll see different music samples on the screen. You can click on any sample to listen to it and get an idea of the available music styles.
준비된 climax.
After that, select a sample if you want, or simply write your own description or lyrics for the song you want to create. In this example, I'm only entering a prompt describing the type of song I want. Once you've entered your prompt, press Enter to generate the music. Gemini will take a few moments to create your song. When it's ready, you can listen to the generated music directly on the screen.
Forged in the furnace of the fight, breaking the chains with all my might.
You can also download the song in both video and audio formats if you want to save it to your device. And that's it. This is how to create music using Google Gemini. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.